replacing function versus restoring function. If your goal is to lose weight and sustain that weight loss, your focus should not be on is it natural or not natural, right? It should be on is the program focused on replacing function versus restoring function. This is what I mean by restore. What I mean by restore is you do a program, and if your organs are restored, are you going to be able to get off all the supplements and be able to all the supplements, all the medications, all the outside other medical treatments and so forth? And are you going to be able to maintain it by yourself through diet, exercise, stress management, good quality sleep and rest? Are you going to be able to maintain it by yourself? If their answer is no, that's a replacing function program. That's focused on replacing. If they say, oh yeah, but you still have to take these supplements, and you still have to come back for treatments, and that's replacing. If you want to be healthy for a long term and be able to maintain it by yourself, you got to look for a restoring function program.